Okay, family, I'm recording this back because I'm doing I think I'm gonna do it, start doing these things, session review. Specifically when we do loss to trade. Okay, like we going to say loss sessions or learning session. Okay, so hold on, let me see if the sound good on YouTube. Okay, family, I'm recording this back because I'm doing I think I'm gonna do it, start doing these things, session review. Yeah, it sounds good. So let's do the review, okay? So let's do the back testing here. Start new. Even though we checked yesterday too. Yesterday we lost too. So this let's go to yesterday too. So we go yesterday. Yesterday. There you go. Let's go yesterday. Let's figure it out yesterday too. Yeah, that was yesterday. So yesterday we have the support here. Okay, and resistance over there. Right here. So that was the session yesterday. So the market for this the song. Seems that I got prepared my breath already. I did my little military workout. I want to be, I want to give you the best the use can get. So the price, that was the candle, the 15 candle. There you go. This is the 20th, and this is the 25. You remember that? Look at the 25 end. So in this particular case, you got yeah. So the opening was like this. Boom. So when you got a strong candle like that open, you can say a pending order, like in the 75%, I can say like right here, a pending order. Okay. Put the stop loss right here, $80. That's because in my live account, in my funny account, and 160. Normally it's 180, but let's put 160. Boom. Activate right away. And like I always teach, break even. Okay, because you see all the sessions are down. See, only Asia was not taken down, but that one's pending for this week for sure. Asian. So then you got this, probably came back, boom, give you the TP. Yeah, give you the TP. So that was the first trade from yesterday. So then we wait a little bit because this candle closed a little weak. So let's find out. Okay, this one right here, we got sun. So this candle closed strong. So we say 75 again for the buy limit. And we put 80. 80, and we're going 180. I think we want 80, yeah. Like that. Okay, let's go. Good. We improve. Wait, not even. Oh, hold on, not even retest. So what we do, we took away that one. This one being long for a long time. I know that one was for sure because it has a little weed. We're gonna put the 50% probably. 50%, yeah. So that'll be now go 80 again. And we're going 180. You see the dashboard says strong bulls. So let's see what we have here. Boom. We got stop loss. So now we got 1 and 1. Okay, 1 and 1. So now we have to pay attention. Make sure the next trade will be quality trade. So right there, we got this right here. This candle was not like a beautiful candle, so we're not going to take it. Uh, we got right here, this right here, so we can see this as support right here. Because we got a strong bulls, right? So we're gonna make a pending order on the support. When we don't have support, then we do previous candle 20, 75 or 50% of the previous candle. But in this case, we have the support. There you go. Good. So let's see. Let's see if we got activate. It didn't. Okay, so it didn't. So I can say probably in this one we're gonna do right here, probably the body and the bottom. I'm gonna put 80. That's what I see. Let's put 50%. Okay, right there, 50% of the candle. We got activate there. Let's see. There you go, 80. So let's see if we got that one with stop loss or break even. Boom, stop loss. So that was the session yesterday. You earned $17. Okay? Because that what time was? 120, 10:20. So $17. So if you keep it to discipline like that, look at what happened when you getting in this one. You get in 50%. Okay. 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 Hold on. So let me calculate something here. Because yes, I calculated something different. So if you're getting a 50% of the candle, or in this case, it was the support right there, support price. So let's say the range we do 360, 360, 160. Okay, it didn't hit the thing. But because we got a little profit probably, and it wasn't before 11. Let me see, what before 11? Oof, it was kind of 11 o'clock there. So I consider because that day I was out of the office, so I can see that day like just 17 and that's it. Tomorrow's another day. But if I was in the office here, the market went up and hit the TP. See? Boom. Just doing depending order on the support. Okay, right here, you got the support right there. So right there was the support. You got it? So you can do it like that. And you continue with the strong bulls too. So let's talk about today. So we do good, that, and that one. So we can say we went, if we were here, 17 plus 160, we can say 180 something, or 180. We can say like almost $200 yesterday. Beside being the way that I was, like, you know what I mean? So, and even here, look at how when it came to straight to the 50% of this candle. So I was pending the 50%, but it's okay. It's stalled. But let's go to today. What happened today? The market went crazy yesterday. That is today. That was London, Asia. Asia, I think it was. Yeah, Asia. Yes, in London. I closed that already. That was not good. No. So today, it was this right here. The open, right? So the good thing in trading when you got the discipline and you know what you want. So right there, the open, what kind of this? This is the candle, 920, 925. Okay. Then let's say you for the open, you let the open go. But sometimes some people they trade the open like me. So I will put pending order on the open. Pending order, if the price come here, it will be my entry right here. Or the more lower that I can do it better. I got all the confirmation the market went up because my dashboard says strong bulls right there. You see that? So let's see if it can hit it. See, getting right away. What I do, break even. But I'm for sure in this particular case, potentially I'm off. I'll get off right there for sure. Becoming the support. No, that was a bill yesterday. Right there. See that? So I'm gonna leave it like that. Or probably I get off. It's 139. No, you know what? Let me leave it. Let's see. I'm break even $17. See what I did? I think it took the $17. Yeah, $17. So the market's there now. So what we do, in this particular case, we got two auctions. We got one entry and another entry. So let's see what happened. I don't have nothing right now. Oof, you see that? So the entry was right here. But why I have this entry right there? That's my question. Oh, because the Asian. Okay, cool. So let's go back again. Let's go back again. So some people, they let the open go. Myself, sometimes I trade the Asian open. The open, not the Asian open, the open price. Let's say this day I left the price activate, break even, and I didn't took the break even. Let's say you just leave it like that. Boom, they got me. So now I got the Asian high right here. Price can come to the Asian high. I'm gonna raise that. right there. I'm gonna take a break, buy limit at the price right there. Stop loss away for me because I got, no, that's wrong. Go over there. That was it today. It's supposed to be today. Let's see. Activate. You see, break even. Profit. So now I have for the day 198. Okay, for the day. Now let's see what's going on. We already got we collect this, the support test, the support, the support, the support, and I see a rejection right there. So we're gonna put this away because look what the candle did. Boom. You see, that was this candle. Right there, what we do, we just keep it steady because we already hit the support. We already won, so you don't want to like be greedy right away. Because if you're greedy, the market does that to you. But that's another entry right there from the previous support. But let's see what the market did after that. Sometimes when I got a day like this, I already got the two-time win, okay, 198 most of the time. What I do, I just get off the market. Muchas veces, después que ya yo gano, sí, tengo $200 en una cuenta, en esta cuenta específica, trabajando un contrato, yo me voy. Si fueran dos contratos, fueran $400. Okay? But I remember right there, I say the price going down, down, down to 29,796. So if I choose that 796, I know the price going there. I got two choices. I can play this support as a resistance, or I can play this one as a resistance. For the risk management's purpose, I prefer do the top one right there. Because I know the target now going that way. So 360, 160. So I'll put the tip sell limit right here. Bot testing so good, trust me. It give you another knowledge for the thing now. So stop loss over there. TP right here. Okay, so let's see which one get better. Look what the market did. Went there, activate my trade. No break even yet. I set the loss. Market did that. See? Market did that. But in this particular case, I remember I had it like this. Check what I have. I have Asian low right here. So I say, I already got the money. My real situation was like that. Lo que yo tenía que pensar era así mismo como lo está haciendo. I got $76. I got 400. I got 270, not 274. I got $200. So from $200, I'm only gonna reach $79. So I leave the trade like that. You see what happened? Look what happened. See what happened? Now, because I see the price going strong, I can put a break even. But I know the price going to 29,796.75. You got that? I already know the price going there. So look what's supposed to happen today, but it didn't happen. I remember I took the sell. Look, price came back. He might stole my break even right there. And then went boom profit. one shot. That was the supposed to be the profit today. On just my live account, which was $800 plus that we took about 1,400 today. And then in the other one for sure $1,000 because that one was $600. Can you imagine the other one, which is twice? So it was 1,200. Because I cannot make it the 40%, more than 40% on the other account. So you got it. So that's supposed to be the trade today. But it's great to have a pending order and the things you do. You know what I mean? Now we see the price doing like those particular things, like support and resistance. Put a pending order there. Look how beautiful he respect that. He break that support, put a pending order in the support, previous support, which now is resistant, pending order, sell, boom. Pending order, sell, boom. Pending order, see? Pending order right here. Pending order, sell. Pending order again, sell. You see how beautiful it is? And let's see where's the market at now, right now. See, market already came back again to the same zone. Where's the market now? See? Beautiful family. Every day I learn, trust me. That's why I love this profession. I love this skill. It's beautiful. Beautiful, family. Beautiful. See how many times price come to the same price again? A lot. Look where it is right now. And the candle's just closing. So right there, that was another sell probably. Right here. 360 on 60 because the price going down, kind of like going down right now. So put a solo, put a sell right here at the price right here. Put it right there. Solos here. You can have a potential sell right there. Know what I mean? And that is not a real count. That's a demo, okay? And just practice. But for sure, the price can come back to that price to 840, 840. Come and activate that trade right there, 840. See, he's just hanging out in the zone. But it can come back again to the 840 and retest the 840. Look right here, came, retest again, retest again. This one tried to come back again, but probably not. The way that I see the rejecting the zone, probably cannot come back. If the price close when the body down, then you got the other price, which is 807. That price, 807. If you continue to drop, you got the other price, which is 778. Probably I'm gonna leave you the video like that live. And you're gonna see probably he retest or not retest. Probably gonna retest right there. You wanna retest it again? Let's see. Right there, almost. There you go. You're in the market. Right there, you got two options. Just wait. Not two options, you only got one. Which is wait for the market. Do what's supposed to do. Drop. Here's still bullish, and my dashboard is still bullish right there. Let me do this. My dashboard is still bullish, but here's say bearish. The MACD is going down. And this is just for education purpose. Because in my real life, probably I wait for the price to drop and close below here. You know what I mean? I wait for the price to drop and close here. Like this. Retest my price again and drop. That probably will be my trade for sure. Why I choose that price? Well, because this price was a previous support right here from Asia and London, both of them. See how I've been respecting a lot. So, and here you see the price close on top of that, clock, 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 clock. But now the price choose to, let's say if you come back here, price close below. That's why I choose that price, 840, because the price, it closed here, but then came back again and closed below, closed below, closed below. It went back again and didn't close on top of that and dropping now. So that's why I choose that one, entry. So now I'm gonna leave you live there with the nice music. Let me prepare my breakfast to see how it's going. And this is only session review. Okay. Now we're gonna have another one for buy, which will be this price right here. Yeah, this one. So we're gonna delete this part. We're gonna upgrade the price, right? So right there, you see, it didn't respect that price. So probably I want to take it off. It didn't respect that. So that's that's another option you have. To protect your capital, if it doesn't respect your price, then you just get off. Because if you didn't respect it, the price can go back up and hit you stop loss. So you got another one here, another price. This one. Well, let's take it as sell because it didn't respect, so they put this one. And that is the back testing of the beautiful thing. Let's see this. So let's say what I see the price is dropping there, or it doesn't close below to the price that I'm talking about yet. Put all the entries right here. See, the price is fighting right there. El precio está batallando ahí. Take away this one. El precio es 807. 807 price. 807. So let's say if the price closes there, we're going to sell here on 807. Sell limit. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet, buddy. Yeah, cerró ahí. Close below, so we're gonna put this below on the top there. TP in the bottom. Let's see if it got retest. Whoop. It did it. You got retest, but it didn't activate the price. Oh Lord, so that you got hit there. You didn't activate the price. Come on, activate the price, buddy. Well, you see how it went there to 807? And then, oh, that's why the entry was 8050. So it's supposed to be 807. At least a little bit more. The price is 8050. It was not 80700, it was 8050. Jeez. Christ. Look at how it is. Look what it did. Went straight down. So the next entry will be yeah, the 77850. So we're gonna upgrade the one at the top too. So let's see if it close here. We're gonna take a sell limit here in the bottom. Yep. Really? It didn't pull back? I thought it was gonna pull back. Probably pull back later. We know how to move target. Let me see move target here. Well, we got one here. This. Ooh, so that, jeez. I say we dropping. Bye bye, everybody. But that was supposed to be active right there. So now we get it. So when you see the price, put it like at least half a tip down. Don't put that one half a tip up, which is that's why I didn't activate it. Lo tenía a 878. Oh, 806.75. Y por eso se activó. Se activó 8, vino 806.00 y se fue. You know, came back to 806 and dropped. So I didn't activate, but it's okay. We're learning, family. Woo! See, TP right away. So this is a learning section, right? Review. Price break this price, the the 807.00. My price, it was 807.50. And that's why it didn't activate nothing. So what I did, I moved it to 807.06, and then it didn't came back anyway. So, but that's to learn, Look at how beautiful it is. Price is dropping now. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm learning every day, family. Beautiful. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Here we got the price. No, that one I update, but look at this price. The price that I have for the support. Let's say this one is the previous support right here. Right there. See the previous support, which one is closed? The close was right here. The A90925. Look at where the price break and came back, retest right there, drop TP. Let's say right here we didn't have nothing, but this one didn't came. So we're not breaking retest right there. Oh yeah, I got this one here for London break. This one is the most higher. The price was 980.75. Look, price break. It didn't retest, but then the next one came. Retest the 980, and then from there drop. You see that? So that's the way we have to do it now. And look how beautiful it is. No loss today if you did it like that, but we already got the review. So let me continue with my life. So we already got the review. I will leave it right there. the price to see if the price is going there and continue dropping. I'm not for sure we have H and low down there. Two down. Very low gap. All the way down. Peace, right. Asian low is all the way down. Too crazy. I don't know if the price is gonna go there, but I know for sure. Did you imagine the price come back and retest? You already touched the TP, so you wanted to move them. Cancel though. Oh. So let's pull the entries. You see the entries right here say 778 right here. 778 50, and I'm above, so we need to be low, below. Right. To get activated. Oh Lord, every day we learn. I love it. I love it. I love it every day. Every day we learn. So let me leave you like that. When this one, I'm gonna just leave you to deactivate for now. like I said, that was the review video, so you already know. Go back and check again, and check again, and check again, and check again, and check again. Vayan atrás y véanlo, y véanlo, y véanlo, y véanlo, y véanlo. Y así vamos a poder buscar una mejor entrada.